Alright guys, it's review time. Today we got the Piscifun Venom. As you can tell, maybe in the video, these things are pretty dirty. I've put these to the test over the past couple months. I've got two of these. So this one is the 3000 size. Also have the 2000 size right here. And these things are amazing. Now, I'm not a huge spinning reel guy. I mainly use bait casters, but I do typically have at least one spinning setup with me. And these things have been outstanding. So let's break it down a little bit. You're looking at 10 bearings. You're looking at a 5.1 to 1 gear ratio. And max drag 17.6. The spool is braid ready, so you don't need any backing line if you don't want to. This one I have straight braid, that's 20 pound, and then this one I have fluoro. So I have the 2000 size. I've been using this one for, right now I got a shaky head tight on there. Been using that one for shaky heads, some jig heads, throwing some bottom baits, drop shots, things like that. This one here, I got the straight braid on this one. Now this is the one, if you watched my recent video where I catch the giant carp. We're hooked up, folks, with a, holy crap. Oh man, we got a big carp hooked up. That is on this. This is the Venom in the 3000 size. Now, I have both of these on Berkeley amp rods, and this one in particular is a 7-foot medium, and this one here is a 6.6 medium light. Now, I've caught more fish on the 3000 size, so I'll mainly talk about that one specifically. But so for me, I've caught quite a few carp on this thing. I've already caught I don't know, maybe 10 carp on it. I've caught some bass on it, and it has performed outstanding. This thing is amazing. The handle, I love the handle. It's like an offset on it. Very sleek design. You got the cutouts on there. I mean, this thing is beautiful. It looks amazing. It's black. It's got that sick bright green on it, which is kind of why I put it on these Berkeley amp rods, just because it matched. I know it doesn't matter, but it looks cool. Like I said, I'm not a huge spinning reel guy, but I have used tons and tons of spinning reels over the years of fishing. So this one performs just as well as any of the spinning gear that I have, no doubt. So every single time I go out now, I always have either this one or the 2000 size with me. I always do. Without a doubt, my go-to spinning reels, and they are very, very, very fairly priced. Okay, very fairly priced. So the deal with Piscifun, the price is cheap, but these reels are far from cheap, I promise you. If this reel was junk, I would not fish with it. I have no problem at all getting on here and telling you guys not to buy a product. I have no problem at all. Typically, I just don't do a review on it. Like if you see me using something and I don't review it, I probably didn't like it that much, or I had an issue with it. But I still have no problem getting on here and telling you, look, save your money, don't get something. But I'm telling you right now, you will not be disappointed if you get these reels. They are outstanding. Very well made. And I don't even want to say they're good for the money. No, they're good reels. They're very good reels. But they won't break the bank. Check out that carp video if you want to see it reel in. I mean, that was a pretty big carp. But definitely go check them out. I got Piscifun linked down in the description below, so check that out. If you want to get you some merch, this is some of the newer stuff we got out. Want to get you some merch. That link will also be in the description. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.